To see the lead code question 25500, that is delete the greatest value in each of the row. Here we are given m plus n matrix or grid consisting of positive integers. We have to perform the following operation until grid becomes empty, and delete the element with greatest value from each row. If multiple such elements exist, delete any one of them. Add the maximum of the deleted elements to the answer. So we have to return the final answer after summing of all the maximum values stored in each of the row in a m cross n matrix. In this example, first 1 3 4 is present in the first row. 4 is the in each of the column. We have to see, sorry, for each of the column, in the last column 4 is the maximum too, so we have to take 4. Then in the end we have to remove that column from the m cross n matrix, and in the second we got the 3. After sorting we will get the final answer in proper manner. So here we can make this as 1 2 4 1 3 3. In the last row we get the 4 as the maximum. In second row we get third. In the first we get 1. So adding up 4 plus 3 plus 1, we get the 8 as the answer for the first example given above. So here is the code of the question. First we have made a function to find the maximum for each of the column in the m cross n matrix. Here is the get max function. So first we have taken the grid size as n, and the first row size is the grid 0 dot size, and we have made a answer variable to store the answer. So first we have to iterate over the whole grid and sort it for each of the row present in the grid. Then after sorting it, we have to iterate the m each of the rows, and we have to find, that is grid 0 dot size. We have to iterate each of the row size, and we have to call the getMax function to get the maximum of each of the row in the sorted m cross n matrix. Here is the code for getting the getMax function. That is, first we have taken the n as the grid size, temp as the integer mean, and if we have iterated, and temp equal to max of temp grid I column. For each of the iteration it will increment if any of the value exceed the max value. So finally finally we have to return the temp for each of the row present in m cross n matrix. Then this for all the rows it gets added, and finally we return the answer. Here let us see. First we have to find the maximum of this column. So here we have passed I equal to 0, and this I equal to 0 column is passed for each of the column. That is, then it will check for grid size, that is I equal to 0, I equal to 1 for grid 0. This is the first column.